Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to cook kangaroo meat perfectly. Kangaroo is a wonderfully lean and healthy red meat, but its low fat content means it cooks very quickly. To ensure a tender and juicy result, it's crucial not to overcook it. Before you even start, make sure your kangaroo meat is at room temperature, and take a moment to trim off any excess fat or sinew for the best texture. When it comes to cooking kangaroo, quick methods like pan frying, grilling, or barbecuing are ideal. You want to cook it hot and fast. For a delicious medium rare, sear your kangaroo steak for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. This creates a lovely crust while keeping the inside tender. Remember, resting the meat for at least 5 to 10 minutes after cooking is vital. It allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more succulent bite. Kangaroo meat has a distinct, rich flavor that pairs well with various seasonings. Marinating the meat for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight, can significantly enhance its tenderness and infuse it with wonderful flavors. Consider using fresh herbs such as rosemary, thyme, or crushed garlic. Alternatively, a straightforward seasoning of salt and freshly ground black pepper is often all you need to let the meat's natural taste shine through beautifully. The key to perfectly cooked kangaroo is achieving the right doneness. Aim for an internal temperature of around 135 degrees Fahrenheit for a medium-rare finish. Overcooking this lean meat is the biggest mistake, as it will quickly become tough, dry, and lose its appealing, gamey flavor. Once rested, always slice your kangaroo thinly and against the grain. This simple step ensures every piece is as tender as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.